Welcome to Faith and Flour. I'm Robin, and today I will be showing you around our family's apartment in Switzerland. Hi, come on in. As you can see, the main living area of our apartment is very open. The dining room, kitchen, and living room are basically one big room, divided only by the bar that surrounds the kitchen. Our apartment came fully furnished, including the decor. We did some decluttering, and then Patrick and I spent one evening arranging everything on the living room shelves to display all of the pieces that we really like. Here is a peek at what the living room looked like before. And this is what it looks like now after we pared down and simplified a bit. Our very favorite feature is the view of the lake and the mountains. The kitchen is quite large with lots of storage and counter space. We have an electric cooktop, built-in microwave and oven just below, the refrigerator is to the left of that and integrated into the cabinetry. Here is the coffee, tea, and breakfast station that I created and shared with you in my last video. And if you would like to see a detailed kitchen tour, come back next week and I will give you a look inside all of the cabinets and drawers to show you how I have organized everything. So if you are curious about that, be sure to come back next Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock Central Time. This is our bedroom. It is light and bright, and when the curtains are open, we get loads of sunlight streaming in. We have an attached bathroom with double vanities that have lots of built-in storage. A separate shower and large bathtub. A place for hanging pajamas and robes with a towel warmer next to the separate toilet area. This is the secondary bedroom that Peyton uses and will be great for when Kyle and Lauren visit or whenever we host family and friends. It also gets lots of natural light, has beautiful views, and a desk big enough for two to share. It also has its own attached bathroom. The third bedroom can be used as an office or a bedroom. The sofa pulls out to make a king-size bed and is surprisingly comfortable, so it allows us plenty of extra space for family and friends. This room also has its own bathroom, which is very convenient when we have a full house. In the basement is our laundry room, which you may have seen if you watched my last video, along with a separate storage room. In addition to a large sink and the washer and dryer, we also have a dehumidifier so that we can hang clothes to dry inside, and quite a large space for doing that as well. I especially love the iron. It has a large water tank that supplies it with nearly endless steam, and I have really been enjoying that while here. And there you have it, our Swiss apartment. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out my channel. And be sure to come back next week for the kitchen tour. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful week.